What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Ace Boy Mannie, and today we're going to use this chicken breast. We're going to make us some grilled chicken bacon ranch sandwiches. Watch me work. First thing we're going to do, we're going to split these breasts in half and get ready to season them up with my seasonings. All right, we're going to cut these right down the middle, split them in half. Now that we got them all broke down. All right, we're gonna season these things up now. Use my kosher salt. Hit them up with some salt. Don't be scared to season it either, but don't put too much salt. Black pepper. Garlic powder. Smoked paprika, give it some color, a little bit of smoky flavor. And then we're gonna hit it with this green goddess seasoning. Give a little bit of herbaceous flavor to it. We can do this on both sides, so let's flip this thing over. Run it back. Salt. Pepper. Garlic. Make sure you get an even coating all across all of it. I want flavor in every bite. Smoked paprika. Green goddess. All right, now we're gonna let this sit and marinate for a few minutes while I prepare everything else. All right, now that we got the chicken all seasoned up, it's time to get this bacon going. So I'm gonna hit it with some maple syrup, some smoked paprika, and some garlic powder. And I'm gonna throw it in the oven. Hit all of them up with some maple syrup, nice and coated. Then I'm gonna hit it with these seasonings and throw it in the oven. You only have to do this on one side. You don't have to do it on both sides. One side is good enough. Man, I gotta get me a softer brush, man. This brush is stiff as hell. But it's gonna work. Right now I got the maple syrup on there. So I'm gonna hit a little bit of garlic. little smoked paprika, make it a little bit more smokier. By the way, this is beef bacon. All I do is beef. I don't do pork at all. Never pork. Now it's time for this to go in the oven. All right, now that we got the chicken and the bacon going, we're going to start with our ranch dressing that we're going to make. To make this, we're going to use some Hidden Valley Ranch packages, a cup of mayo, and 1.5 cups of buttermilk. All right, first we're going to put this mayo in here. Get all of it out. Now we'll pour the buttermilk. And put 2 packets of Hidden Valley Ranch in here. Got the wrong ones. Got the Fiesta mix, but it's gonna still work. We got a Fiesta over here. Just mix this all up. Yeah, I didn't even know those was the Fiesta ones, but whatever. It's gonna be alright. Alright, this is what the ranch looks like. It's nice, smooth, good consistency. Alright, now it's time to get these breasts going. Got the skillet going with a little bit of oil in it. Drop the breast in. Let them cook on each side for about 5 minutes. Pull them off, let them cool, then start building these sandwiches. Alright, now we go flip them. Oh yeah, some nice color on there. Gonna cook on this other side for another 5 minutes. Pull them off. Toast our bread. And build this sandwich up. Let's check on this bacon, see if it's ready. Yes, sir. Looks like it's ready. Let's take this out and get ready to start building the sandwich. All right, now it's time to toast our bread up. I like to use mayo as my base over butter or oil. Spread a little mayo on here. Both sides. Put it in a hot skillet. And let it toast. So nice and brown. And I'll flip it. And start making the sandwich. A little bit of my mayo on there. Good to go. So let this thing cook. Alright, now it's time to build this sandwich up. We'll get our ranch. Spread it all over the bread. Then we'll grab a piece of lettuce. Put right there. Our seasoned tomatoes, seasoned with salt and pepper. Then we'll grab our breast, sit it on top of there. Grab some bacon, load it up on top of the breast. Close the sandwich. All right, let's dive into this thing, see what it's tasting like. Moment of truth. I already know it's gonna be good. Oh yeah. And it sounds without a pickle. Hit fire.